Welcome. Lesson number 7, Pani Re Pani. This videos we going to see the book exercise of this lesson. So first we read once the meanings. Kiranai, race, badal, cloud, briksha, tree, dharti, earth, Seetal, cool, trun, grass, amard, nectar or honeydew, Haryali, greenery, now boat. Now read and understand. Krina, hate. Kriti, deed. Krit, ghee. Druk, Kripan, sword. Vrishab, ox. Vriksha, tree. Mrug, deer. Nirub, king. Trun, grass. Mrud,